Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transpose in Excel. I'm going to show you a very easy peasy way. So let's get into the video. At first you can see there's some data in Excel. So what you have to do is just select this area that I want to be transposed, and then press on Ctrl+C or copy it. Then press this area, put your cursor in the cell or in the area you want to, you want to be transposed, and then click on right and go to paste specials, click on it, and here you can see there is an option of transpose. Just click on it and click on OK. As you can see, that's our data which is transposed. As you can see, it's just same as the data here, so nothing is changed, nothing is wrong here, everything is fine. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.